Hi everyone, a good day to all. Welcome to ATL Marathon 2022-2023. I am Farhan and my teammates are Pranav and Heramba. We work on the problem statement design solution to boost the tourism industry in India under the theme tourism.
We develop workshops for students, auto cab drivers, retailers, and to educate them on how to behave with tourists and to help them so that they can be a part of improving tourism in the region. We also develop animations to promote these workshops. These animations can be shown in public places.
Tourism contributes a lot to the global economy. Tourism provides employment, improves infrastructure, creates a demand for local products, increases income for local transportation, lodging, and boarding, encourages people to start new businesses. It is a lifeline for millions of people who live in tourist places, so the behavior of the local people plays an important role to boost tourism.
To find the problems faced by tourists from local people, we conducted a survey with a set of questions. We found that many tourists have faced problems such as local people photographing them without their consent, demanding more money for rides, selling local products at higher price, staring at them, making fun of them in their regional languages, etc.
So, to reduce these problems, we develop workshops, animations to educate local people how to behave with tourists so that the number of tourists visiting to India can be improved, which in turn increase the economy of the country. This can be implemented even in different countries based on the problems faced by the tourists.
One workshop is developed for each category of people: students, auto cab drivers, retailers. These workshops aim to develop a sense of local patriotism to boost tourism in their locality. The workshops include the problems created by the local people to the tourists, defacement or vandalism of monuments by local people and outsiders, the negative behavior of local people towards tourists, building awareness, and developing right kind of behavior towards tourists, creating a sense of responsibility among local people towards the comfort and safety of tourists, taking ownership of monuments and preserving it.
With the help of the State Tourism Department, school associations, auto cab drivers associations, retailer associations, we can conduct these workshops during off seasons. The funding for the implementation of the workshops can be requested from the Tourism Department of the state government. The duration of each workshop will be 2.5 hours.
These workshops can be advertised by displaying animated clips on outdoor LED screens in public places like bus stands, railway stations, near traffic junctions, etc.
So, by implementing these workshops, we can develop a right attitude and a sense of pride in local people towards their region. This results in developing the local economy, which contributes to global economy.